Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. I am here to explain from page number 19 of the story The Seed of Truth, Unit 3 from English Literature Reader. Before starting today's explanation, I will refer some sentences of the previous explanation for your reference and continuation. So Pingla wore his best clothes and joined the others outside the palace, holding his empty pot in his hand and ignoring the laughter around him. So the king arrived and began his inspection. The pots held flowers of different shades, beautiful and healthy, but the king did not look happy. At the end of the line stood Pingla, and when the king reached him, he stopped in surprise. "Child, why have you come with an empty pot? Could you not grow anything?" Pingla looked down and said, "Forgive me, Your Highness. I tried my best. I gave it the best soil and manure I had, but the plant would not grow." Now the king's face broke into a smile. He enveloped Pingla in his arms and announced, "Here is the crown prince." Now I will start the explanation from the book. I gave everyone roasted seeds which could never grow, just to see which child was the most honest. Explanation 1. Vidyadhara, the king of Gandhara, disclosed the secret about the seed. He told to everyone that he gave everyone roasted seeds, and the roasted seeds could never grow plants. He confirmed that he wanted to see which child was the most honest in this regard. Explanation 2. Vidyadhara, the king of Gandhara, announced the secret about the seeds. He told all the children that he had given the roasted seeds to all which could never grow plants. All the children were holding beautiful and healthy plants, and the king wanted to see which child was the most honest. Explanation 3. Finally, King Vidyadhara declared the truth about the seeds. The king told to all the children that he had given the roasted seeds which could never grow plants, and there all the children were carrying healthy, beautiful flowers in their pots which were impossible to grow. So he wanted to see which child was the very honest about this matter. Now from book, I wanted to see whether any child would admit he or she had not been able to grow anything. Vidyadhara, explanation 1. Vidyadhara, the king of Gandhara, wanted to see whether any one child would admit that he or she had not been grown the plant. Explanation 2. The king Vidyadhara wanted to realize whether any one child would admit that he or she could not grow the plant by the seed. Explanation 3. Actually, the king wanted to observe the most honest child who could be the prince or princess of his kingdom. So he gave the roasted seeds to the children. Only one child, Pingla, admitted that he could not grow the plants from that seed. Now, from the book. Only this boy told the truth. I am sure he will rule this kingdom one day with truth and honesty. Explanation 1. The king was happy and he declared in front of all the children that Pingla was that boy who confessed that he was not able to grow the plant by the seed. He was the most honest boy. He wished that he would govern this kingdom Gandhara with truth and honesty. Explanation 2. The king found the right child who admitted that he was unable to grow plant. Pingla was that boy who told the truth. The king was happy and he told that after him, Pingla would command the kingdom one day, Gandhara, with truth and honesty. Explanation 3. To find out the reigns, the king arranged one event. So he gave seeds to all the children and gave them 3 months time to grow beautiful and healthy plant. After 3 months, the events were beautiful, fruitful. He found the right child who admitted or he confessed that he was unable to grow plant. He told the truth. The king was very happy and declared in future he would control over the kingdom Gandhara with the truth and honesty. Next. And indeed, that was what happened when the king grew old and died. Pingla, who had learned everything from him, became the new king and ruled Gandhara justly for many years. Now, explanation 1. Actually, that was happened when the king grew old and died. Pingla, who had learned the system from Vidyadhara, and he became the new king and commanded Gandhara for many years. Explanation 2. When the king Vidyadhara grew old and died, before the death of the king, Pingla learned about ruling of the kingdom. After the king's death, Pingla controlled over the kingdom and he was the king for many years. Explanation number 3. King Vidyadhara learned Pingla about the ruling policy of a kingdom. When king grew old and died, Pingla was the new king. He ruled over the kingdom for many years. The explanation is over. So this chapter, unit 3, the seed of truth, already completed.